Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product which is known as Puppy Dex tools. This is my second video on this amazing product, so make sure you watch the video completely. So here we are on the side and you can check out scan tokens, avoid scams and trade it smart are some of the features of this amazing token. Down here you can check out the new utility which is basically a scan of BSC tokens. It gives you the option to see the price, liquidity, FTV, 24 hour change as well as the verifications. Down here you can check out the details such as PuppyDex tools, instant crypto insights for BNB Chain token, a meme coin made by AI for public. The public token join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. Down here you can check out their logo as well as details are given here. So now let's come to their token scanner details, and here you can check out the details. If we come down you can check out the utility is live. This is the link down here. We will check it later into the video. So you can check out why PuppyDex built this token. Many existing crypto tools are powerful but often overwhelming for new users, filled with technical jargon, slow or cluttered, designed mainly for professionals. So this is an easy tool for you all to use. So you can must check it out. It's built on BSC because mostly tokens are on Binance Smart Chain, so they have currently built on it. So you can check out each and everything. So let's open this link, and here you can check out the scanner is live here. So here are some of the features. You will see the name, symbol, price, 24 hour change, liquidity, FTP as well as contact verification details. So you can also join their Telegram as well as follow them onto the X handle. Here on top you can add the address of the token. So let's come to the coin market cap, select the PSC, and here we will select any of the token. For example, let's select the pancake swap, open it, and then find the contract address. Just scroll there and here you can see its Ethereum address. So we will click here, and here is the Binance Smart Chain address. So let's copy it, come to the scanner, just paste here and click on scan button, and now let's wait. And here you can check out all of the details are given here: the token name, symbol, price, 24 hour chain, liquidity as well as FTP as well as contact verification details are given here. So this is really an amazing tool built by PuppyDex for you all. So make sure you use this amazing tool and make your crypto journey more amazing. So make sure you join the PuppyDex token as well. It's really amazing. So join their community and join their amazing path. Also you can check out the mission and verification details are given here. You can check out all of the old videos are also on the website, so make sure you watch them as well. So I hope you like this amazing and awesome video on PuppyDex token as well as this scanner as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.